a train and a bus and a cab to the old city block where I used to live. What a nice time of year to revisit. A couple of restaurants close their doors and some are already replaced, but that late night pizza spot still stands, as does that quaint cafe. So I'll order me when I take my seat, and though no one remembers my face, what a nice time of year to revisit. What a nice time of year to revisit. No, I don't feel the same as I did. Maybe it's not so bad. It seems